Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn muscular and feminine. First of all, what is masculine and feminine? Masculine and feminine refers to a gender of a person. Gender of a person can be a male or female. Masculine is used for male person and feminine is used for female person. Let's get started. Boy, girl, father, mother, sir, madam, son, daughter, king, queen, he, she, rooster, hen, lion, lioness, dad, mom, husband, wife, bull, cow, man, women, landlord, landlady, nephew, niece,